Types of product management roles. In the last lecture, we learned exactly what a product is. We looked at your role as a product manager in making your product a success. We took a look at some examples of popular products. And lastly, how product managers can be divided across a larger technology business. In this lecture, we'll be learning about the 3 different types of product management roles and also explore the role of stakeholders in your job as a product manager. The 3 types of product managers we'll be talking about in this lecture are internal product managers, consumer product managers, business to business product managers who are usually responsible for SaaS products, that's software as a service. The biggest difference in these 3 roles are their stakeholders. Now, stakeholders are the people with an input or opinion on the product you're building. Good examples of stakeholders are users of your product, the sales team at your company who need to make sure they can sell your product, the marketing team who need to make sure they can market your product and make people want it, and the legal team who need to make sure your product won't get the company into any trouble. Internal product managers. Internal product managers usually build tools that other employees in your company will use to make their job easier and a bit more efficient. A good example of a product an internal manager would be working on is a tool that automates existing manual processes previously completed by an operations team member. Consumer product manager. Consumer product managers build products for everyday users. A good example would be Instagram or even Facebook's newsfeed. A consumer product manager is usually focused on a metric rather than being told what to build by a sales team. This is the big difference between a consumer product manager and a business to business product manager. Business to business product managers. A business to business product manager is someone who builds products for use by other companies. A good example is Amazon AWS or Salesforce. These products are designed to solve problems for other companies. The main stakeholders for business to business product managers are usually their internal sales team and external clients. So, we've learnt a lot in this lecture. To recap, we've learnt about the 3 different types of product managers: internal product managers, consumer product managers, business to business product managers. We've learnt what stakeholders are, and we've taken a look at stakeholders that you'll have to work with as a product manager. In the next lecture, we'll be learning how to pick the type of product manager role that suits you and your interests. It's a really important lecture and will help you avoid being stuck in a job that you hate, and nobody wants that.